Do you struggle finding and deleting duplicate values in your dataset? Well, in this video, I will show you 3 ways to delete duplicate values in your dataset, and stick around because the third way is actually the best. What's up, party people? I'm Dave, I'm a CPA, I go by Piggy Bank Accountant. I've been working with Microsoft Excel for more than 10 years, and without further ado, let's dive deep into it. The first way to remove the duplicates is to actually use the conditional formatting. So select your column A. By example, here we have RuPaul twice, we have Britney Spears twice as well. Select your data, click on conditional formatting, click on highlight the cells rules, and then hit duplicate values. Then select whatever color you want. As you can see, every values that are duplicates are gonna pop in whichever color you put. Then you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L to filter. And then you can filter by color and then filter on red. It's probably not the best way because as you can see, what I could do is just delete the whole stuff, but it will delete the initial value as well. So what you can do is just go one by one and delete. Okay, Michael Jackson, see Michael Jackson is now in white because it actually is not a duplicate anymore. Then you can delete RuPaul, and you can delete Britney Spears and the Johnny Depp. And then if you remove your filter, your conditional formatting is still there, but you don't have duplicate anymore. And here is the first method. The second and best way to remove duplicate is actually to select your data, then go into the data ribbon, and then under the data tools here, you click on remove duplicates. If you check expand the selection, it's gonna ask you to remove also the data to the right of your selection. Then you click on remove duplicates. It's gonna highlight the name column and the hire dates, and both of these columns need to be duplicates for this function to work. You click on OK, and as you can see, it says 4 duplicate values found and remove, 10 unique values remain. The third way to remove duplicates is actually to use the unique function, which is a new function coming with Office 365, and it goes like this: equal unique, select your data set, and then click enter. And this is what we call an array formula. You just change your format here for the short date, and you have a unique data set that is actually an array and interactive with your data set to the left. If you enjoy learning the unique formula, you should watch this video because there are way more array formulas out there. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for the next video release. Peace!